In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively hide a page on your Wix website, keeping it out of sight from both your site visitors and search engines. This is a useful trick for when you have a page that you're not quite ready to share with the world, or if you want to keep certain content private for specific purposes, like testing or making updates. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow, making sure your actions are both intentional and reversible. Starting off, you need to open the Pages and Menu panel. As you're working within the Wix editor, you'll notice a sidebar situated on the left-hand side. Within this sidebar, there's an icon labeled Pages and Menu. Click on it. This panel is essentially your command center for managing the pages on your website. Next, you'll want to find the specific page you wish to hide. Scrolling through the list of pages, locate the one that you have in mind. It's a good idea to ensure you've selected the correct page, especially if your site has many similar ones or variations on a theme. Once you've identified the correct page, look for the 3 dots or More Actions icon that is positioned next to the page's title. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu where you'll then select Hide from Menu. What this does is remove the page from the visible navigation on your site, which means your visitors won't see it in the main menu anymore, lending your site exactly the kind of control and customization you might need. But to take it a step further and ensure the page is also hidden from search engines, there's one extra step. After hiding the page from your menu, you're going to return to those 3 dots, or the More Actions icon, once more. Click on it, and this time, choose SEO Basics. A panel will open, displaying various SEO settings. Scroll down until you find a setting labeled Let Search Engines Index This Page. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Turn this toggle off. By doing this, you're telling search engines not to display this specific page in search results, adding an extra layer of privacy and control over your site content. Now, suppose you eventually want to unhide the page and bring it back to its original visibility. This is easy to do. Head back to the Pages and Menu panel, find your hidden page in the list. Once again, click on the 3 dots next to it and simply choose Show in Menu. This action immediately restores the page to your site's navigation, making it accessible to visitors once more. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can comfortably manage the visibility of your Wix pages, customizing who sees what and maintaining full control over your website's presentation. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.